हाय फ्रेंड्स, हमने पहले लेक्चर में देखा था ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस ऑफ गैमा फंक्शन। फर्स्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमा फंक्शन इज गैमा ऑफ एन इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन 0 to infinity log of 1 by y raised to n minus 1 dy. Then second transformation is gamma of n by k raised to n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus ky into y raised to n minus 1 dy. Then third transformation of gamma function is gamma of n is equal to 1 by n integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus y 1 by n into dy. Then transformations of beta function. First transformation of beta function is beta of L and M is equal to y raised to L minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to L plus M. Then relation between beta and gamma function, that is beta of L and M is equal to gamma of L into gamma of M divided by gamma of L plus M. Then transformations of beta function. First function transformation equation is this. Then we have to calculate second transformations of beta function. Then we can write first transformation. Then gamma of beta of L and M is equal to y raised to L minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to L plus M into dy. We also know the formula. Integration a to b f of x is equal to integration a to c f of x plus integration c to b f of x. This formula we can use here. So beta of L and M is equal to integration 0 to 1 y raised to L minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to L plus M plus integration 1 to infinity y raised to L minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to L plus M. So here in second integral here we put in second integral we put y is equal to 1 by x. Then we also know when we put some values, then we differentiate this sentence, this equation. So diffraction of this equation is dy is equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon x square. Then we also calculate 1 plus y. So add this 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 1 plus one by x. Then solve it. 1 plus y is equal to x plus 1 divided by x. Then we also calculate their limit. Then y is equal to, here y is 1, so y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to, here is y is equal to 1 by x, here is y is equal to 1 by x. Then y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to infinity. Here x is equal to 0 in from 1. Here is equation number 1. From 1 we put all this value in here second integral. Then our equations, we have beta of L and M is equal to integration 0 to 1 y raised to l minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to l plus m dy, then plus integrations 1 to 0 1 by x raised to l minus 1 divided by x divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m, and here l raised to l minus 1, so y is equal to 1 by x, so put the values of y, and here is 1 by x raised to l minus 1, and 1 plus y is equal to x plus 1 divided by x, put 1 plus y's value, then dx is dy is minus 1 upon x square, so into minus 1 upon x square dx. Beta of l and m, we simplify this equation, then beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to 1 y raised to l minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to l plus m dy, plus integration 0 to integration 1 to 0, then 1 by x raised to l minus 1 into x divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m into here minus 1 divided by x square and dx. Then we simplify again these equations, then so we have integration 0 to 1 y raised to l minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to l plus m dy, plus integration, here is minus, so we know the formula, that is integrations a to b f of x is equal to minus integration b to a f of x. We use this formula in here is minus, so change their limit 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m dx. Here x is 1 by x, here is 1 by x raised to l minus 1, so x raised to minus l plus 1, and here is x raised to l plus m, so l cancel, minus l plus l cancel, then m minus 1, and 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x, here is 1 upon 1 plus x is l plus m, then here y is variable, so y replace y by x, then beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to 1 x raised to l minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to l plus m dx, plus integration 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m dx. So here same variable, add this, so integration 0 to 1 x raised to l minus 1 plus x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m, plus here same base, so l plus m dx. Beta of l and m, we know relation between beta and gamma function. Beta of l and m is equal to gamma of l into gamma of m divided by gamma of l plus m, and here we find beta of l and m, that is this integration 0 to 1 l x raised to l minus 1 plus x raised to m m plus 1 and divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m. Then x integration 0 to 1 x raised to l minus 1 into x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m. So here is right side is equal, so left side also equal. Then integration 0 to 1 x raised to l minus 1 into x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m is equal to gamma of l into gamma of m divided by gamma of l plus m. This is first transformations form of beta function. Then again we know beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to infinity first transformation, that is here there is y raised to l minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to l plus m into dy, but we also change here a variable, replace y by x. Then beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to infinity x raised to l minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m dx. Then put here is second transformations form. This is first transformation, second transformation form, this is third transformation form. Then put here, put y is equal to a y by b. Then dx is equal to a by b into dy. Then here we also find 1 plus y, 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus a by b into y. Then simplify this, 1 plus x is equal to b plus ay divided by b. So then we also find here their limits where x is equal to 0, then y is equal to, here is 0, then so y is equal to 0 and x is equal to infinity, then y is equal to also infinity. Then put this x and x plus 1 and their limit in their equation. So equation here we also denote equation 2. Put all this value in equation 2. Then equation 2 become beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to infinity. Then here is x. So what is, where is x? X is equal to a y by b raised to l minus 1 into 1 by x. Here is x, 1 by x. So here replace on upward, 1 by x is b divided by b plus a y raised to l plus m and dx. What is dx? A by b into dy. This is substituted value equation. Then simplify these equations. Then beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to infinity a raised to l b raised to m, then y raised to l minus m l minus 1 divided by by plus ay plus b raised to l plus m into dy. Here ay also, here b is equal to minus b, 1 by b is equal to l minus 1 and here b is equal to l plus m. So b is equal to here minus l plus 1 and here b is equal to l plus 1, minus l plus l cancelled, so b is equal to l plus m. Here is equal to integration 0 to infinity a raised to l into b raised to m into y raised to l minus this is beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to infinity a raised to l into b raised to m into y raised to l minus 1 divided by ay plus b raised to l plus m into dy. So we also know beta and relation between beta and gamma function, that is beta of l and m is equal to gamma of l into gamma of m divided by gamma of l plus m. Here right side is equal, then also left side is equal. So gamma of l into gamma of m divided by gamma of l plus m is equal to integration 0 to infinity a raised to l b raised to m into y raised to l minus 1 divided by ay plus b raised to l plus m dy. So here ab is constant, so transfer this in left side, then 1 upon a raised to l b raised to m into l gamma of l into gamma of m divided by gamma of l plus m is equal to integration 0 to infinity y raised to l minus 1 divided by ay plus b raised to l plus m dy. This is third transformations form of beta function. Then we also put here next put y is equal to tan square theta, then differentiate it to dy is equal to tan square theta is 2 tan theta into sec square theta into d theta. So then tan theta is, what is tan theta? 2 sin theta divided by cos theta, and sec square theta is cos square theta into d theta. So their multiplication is dy is equal to 2 sin theta divided by cos cube theta. Then here we also have y raised to l minus 1, then y raised to l minus 1 is tan square theta raised to l minus 1. Then simplify this, y raised to l minus 1 is equal to tan square theta is sin square theta divided by cos square theta raised to l minus 1. So then simplify these signs to multiply here, 2l minus 2 divided by cos 2l minus 2 theta. Then we also required a y plus b raised to l plus m. Here this is we also required. Then a y is tan square theta, that is sin square theta divided by cos square theta, plus b raised to l plus m. Then cross multiplication, then a sin square theta plus b cos square theta divided by cos square theta raised to l plus m. So we are almost all values are required. Then we also find their limit when y is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 0, then tan theta 0, then theta is equal to also 0, then y is equal to infinity, theta is equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is infinity. substitute this all value in these equations. So your equations become integration 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta raised to L minus 2 divided by cos 2L minus 2 theta into in bracket cos square theta divided by a sin square theta plus b cos square theta raised to L plus m into 2 sin theta divided by cos cube theta. Here remember, here is y raised to L minus 1. Where is y is tan square theta, so y raised to L minus 1, that is y raised to L minus 1 is sin square raised to 2L minus 1 divided by cos 2L minus 2 theta. Then 1 by then ay plus b raised to L plus m. Here is ay plus b raised to L plus m. Then this value is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta divided by cos square theta raised to L plus m. And here is limit is 0 to pi by 2. Here substitute all value. Then integration 0 to pi by 2 sin theta raised to L minus 1 into cos 2m minus 1 theta divided by 2 sin square theta plus b cos square theta raised to L plus m d theta, and constant 2 cos square theta. Here all is here is sin square theta L minus 1 raised to L minus 1, and here is here also here sin theta raised to 2L minus 2, and here is sin theta. So 2 sin theta raised to here 2L here 1 and minus 1, so minus 1, and here cos square 2L, here is 2L minus 2, then 2L cancel, and 2m minus 1, and here denominator a raised to sin square theta plus b raised to cos square theta raised to L plus m, and this is equal to this. So 1 gamma of L into gamma of m divided by 2a raised to L b raised to m gamma of L plus m is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin theta raised to 2L minus 1 into cos theta raised to 2m minus 1 divided by a sin square theta plus b cos square theta raised to L plus m d theta. This is 4 transformations form of beta function, and this is equal to beta of L and m equal to gamma of L into gamma of m divided by a raised to L b raised to m gamma of L plus m. So Thank you.